Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we're going to compare the new Marshall Emberton versus JBL Flip 5. So we're going to try the bass. So we're going to play a few songs to see which one will sound the best and which one you should buy if you are considering buying a new speaker. Let me go through the spec very quickly. If you do want in-depth on each of the speakers, I have done a previous video. I will leave the links below if you want to check them out. First one, we're looking at the JBL Flip 5. Come with 12 hours of battery. When they released, it was around £90. Now it came down to around £70. Still considered one of the best Bluetooth speakers on the market. Waterproof, IP7. You can take them to underwater. If you have multiple JBL speakers, you can connect them into a stereo. And when you come to controls, you have the pause, volume control, and you have the multi-chain buttons. And you have the power button and Bluetooth button in the back and USB-C for charging. Can't take phone calls. Unfortunately, they have taken out of the microphone to answer phone call. And it is coming with a variety of colors. You have black, blue, red, camo, quite a lot of colors to pick and choose from. The Emberton is around £150. It came around 2 or 3 weeks ago. It's the first smaller affordable speaker Marshall done, because Marshall always do quite a big speakers, and also then IP7 rating for the water resistant. And firstly, they have really good material. It's around, it's coming with the mesh on the both side of it with the Marshall logo on the side. Bluetooth and power in a same button. You have the volume control and pause and play button in a multi-functional button on this middle, and you have a battery indication on the top. Come with the LED lights to indicate how much charge. USB-C for charging. First, I'm going to connect it to the Marshalls, then we're going to connect it to the JBL. So 50%.
Go hard, or go home. 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 Touchdown like the end zone. When the circle turn to my home, can't get me out of my zone. Go hard, go hard. Go hard, or go home. 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 Touchdown like the end zone. When the circle turn to my home, can't get me out of my zone. Go hard, or go home. Go hard, or go home. Yeah, these championship rings.
It's like talking to a wall when you don't look at me. I wanna speak my mind and tell you how I feel, but it's like talking to a wall when you don't look at me. Please just look at me. I'm a ticking time bomb that goes off easily. You always know which buttons you should push, baby. I'm a ticking time bomb that goes off easily, but you're still here with me. It's like talking to a wall when you don't look at me. I wanna speak my mind and tell you how I feel, but it's like talking to a wall when you don't look at me. Please just look at me. I'm a ticking time bomb that goes off easily. You always know which buttons you should push, baby.
I wanna tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I miss you. I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much. Tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know.
at you, making your moves, there is no silence. I wish you'd never let go. All this moving in the zone, I'ma lose it out of control. Yeah. Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Baby, you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. I know what I want, know that I care. Nothing can change that. Talk to me, babe, fall for me, babe. Need you to hear me. Never have I felt this way. I hope you feel the same. You're taking my hand, leading the way, staying the night. Looking at you, making your moves, there is no silence. I wish you'd never let go. All this moving in the zone, I'ma lose it out of control. Yeah. Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Baby, you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go,
I know you came here to see. If you a freak, then you come on with me. And I know what you came here to do. Now bust it open, let me see you get loose. It's going down for real. It's going down for real. It's going down for real. I know you came here to see. If you a freak, then you come on with me. And I know what you came here to do. Now bust it open, let me see you get loose. It's going down for real. It's going down for real. It's going down for real.
We listened to both of the speakers. We have tried both of them with the bass as well as the normal song. So I'm actually confused on this side. Audio is really loud. It feels very high bass audio on the Emberton, where the JBL sound better on the bass. Any kind of a bass mix songs JBL sounds really well without having any distortion or even like a little bit of audio change. It doesn't have that. It just JBL feel natural. Emberton is loud. I love the audio, but I'm very confused between the both of them. So in my opinion, I think the Emberton have more quality to it comparing with the JBL. Again, it's to be expected because it's £150 versus a £80 speaker. I think JBL have more bass. Leave the comments below which one have more bass, which one sound better on the songs. So hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do want to grab one of these, I'll leave the link below for Amazon. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the next video. Bye bye.